Hey, here is a video of two use cases in one. So imagine you have a nice video that you like and you want to create a blog out of it. So just go in Copilot in Edge and ask to make a blog. So create a blog based on this video, or write a blog maybe. So, you start with Copilot in Edge. It's available to everyone, and you can analyze, summarize, query a video, and you can even ask Copilot to write a blog post based on the conversation that happened in this video. So it's pretty powerful because, if you're creating marketing content, you might want to publish the video, then you might want to write a blog. You can also ask, write a short description for uh, Twitter, for Instagram, whatever, and based on this video. And so that will help you to save time and produce and share more content and influence more people. So that's the first scenario. Then the next scenario, and I'm going to put it in a Word document to be able to create a PowerPoint presentation. So let's wait Copilot finishes to create this outline. And now I can, select if my mouse, I have some trouble with my mouse this morning. Okay, I'm gonna copy that and go into Word. Either I paste that or I ask Copilot to do something. Uh, Make this following content to be published as a blog and make it in a way the reader is attracted by the article. And if I have less than 2000 characters, we'll see if it's the case here. I can paste my article here. That works. If it was not the case, I will save the document. I will open another document. I will ask the same thing and refer my document that is more than 2000 words, and it will do the same thing. So here, the article is apparently less than 2000 words, so I can draft with some instructions. You can add your own instructions, adding maybe some things about your company or yourself or whatever context you want to add to the generated post. Maybe I should have asked to structure well. There's other things you can add to your prompt to make it better. The the more context you have in your prompt, the better the result's going to be. So that's an interesting interview from James Keyes, who ran 7-Eleven and also I think he ran the Blockbuster, and he was explaining in this video that the fact that Blockbuster was um, disrupted by Netflix was not because they didn't go to digital, it's because they have debt, and so they couldn't invest a lot in digital actually. They knew they wanted to go to digital, but they didn't have enough money to do it. And there are all the findings here. So it's pretty powerful actually. So from just the video, I'm starting to have a nice blog. And we're gonna wait for that. And then I'm gonna jump into my blank presentation. Okay, almost at the end. call to action. Okay. Okay, let's keep it. Usually you need to review everything, check if it makes sense. I don't know what that is. Some might want to get into it. But here, what I'm gonna do just for the purpose of the short demonstration is I'm gonna grab this link here. So to be able to create in a few minutes, hopefully, a deck from the video. Create a presentation from file. Now you know that. Paste the link and see if it's better. While it's doing it, maybe we can take a look at the Word document. And so introduction, what does it take to be a visionary leader in today's fast changing world, the rise of a visionary leader. So we can see was the leading Blockbuster and 7-Eleven, Keys, and a lot of other companies overcoming adversity. So we can ask, what in this document, no, what can we learn in this document regarding digital transformation of a business? So here's the myth that I learned from this video about Blockbuster failure. Blockbuster was actually ahead of Netflix in terms of market share, customer satisfaction, and innovation, and that the company's downfall was caused by a combination of debt, litigation, and poor execution. So here, main ideas: doing business in digital era. The document presents the experience of several iconic brands. The myth of Blockbuster failure. The importance of adaptability and resilience in leadership. The key takeaways for aspiring leaders: document distill keys, wisdom on experience into 9 key learning that can help aspiring leaders achieve their potential and make a positive impact. These are: education is freedom, know yourself, know your customer, know your business, know your competition, know your environment, know your team, know your stakeholders, and know your purpose. That's pretty good statement. So maybe we can copy that to make a slide out of it. So let's go to the slide deck, though. The unconventional path of leadership lessons from James Keywords. I don't know why they choose this design. I don't like this design, but it's okay. And so I have my deck here, and just in a few minutes from a video, I was able to create um a nice deck. And maybe here, so I can say I want to add a slide, add a slide highlighting these principles, and I'm pasting education from know yourself, even if I think it's somewhere here. Maybe I should click on the arrow. And so, what? It took me maybe 3-4 minutes to have a blog, to have a PowerPoint document explaining that I can transform in a PDF and share it with the readers. and do a conclusion of what is really key. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Hope this was insightful.